Hello everyone. So I was just working on this simple scene where my character can move around and interact. I also used the new input system. The problem I got is that I can look around freely with my mouse. As you can see, it's working fine and I can interact with the weapons, but when I try to move around with my gamepad, it is actually really slow. Let me show you. As you can see, I am using the mouse delta to look around, and now I am using the gamepad stick to move, but it is really slow. What I found is actually really easy solve to this if you are facing the same problem and if you use the mouse delta to look around. And by the way, I am also using the cinemation camera. In the cinemation input provider, you can use the new input system, and there to look around I used the player look. You can see in my input action that my look has a mouse delta, and it actually helps that the cinemation is providing the functions built in. And I also added the right stick of my gamepad, and it is really slow. The solution actually is really easy. As I said, all you have to do is you have to add a processor. I actually tried using the normalized vector, but it doesn't work. Then I found on a blog that you have to add a scale vector too, and you can set anything you want. For X it's horizontal and for Y it is vertical, so let's give horizontal 15 and vertical 10. Save the asset. Always remember to save the asset or it don't work. And you shouldn't take the autosave either, because maybe you misclicked or something like that, so it's just best practice to untick the autosave and save the asset after you have finished working with your new input system. Anyways, now when I play, as usual, I can move around with my mouse, as you can see, easily. And I also can move easily with my gamepad. It's that easy. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and remember, take care of yourself and people around you. Goodbye.